Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XCN holders. You guys absolutely killed it with the support. And again, I'm not even surprised at this point because, of course, this is a really hyped coin. A lot of eyes on this coin due to the fact that it's up literally 18x or more than that in just the last few weeks. So of course, you're going to see a lot of eyes on this project, but we're going to take a look at it, give you guys analysis on the price, see what's happening, what are some next targets we should be looking out for. If you're enjoying these updates, smash that like button, and of course, let me know in the comments down below. But if we're looking across the board, as far as the broader market is concerned, if you watch my XRP update, if you watch my, HBAR update, I'm sure you guys are familiar as to what's happening. We have seen, a major bloodbath over the past few hours, which of course has impacted the broader market and even the traditional stock market, specifically, due to DeepSeek's launch. The AI ones have really, been impacted quite a bit. But obviously, if you do see the traditional stock market seeing sell pressure, that is going to have some sort of an impact on crypto market. And Bitcoin went down last night, which of course dragged the entire market down with it. But XCN is down 5.6% right now if you're looking at it, but we're going to examine and really take a look at what's happening right now as we speak. So before we get into it though, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is 3.3 cents right now, down 5% as mentioned in USD, down 2.5% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative, but the valuation, so the market cap, is still above $1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is still at about 1.1 billion. So the 24-hour trading volume still quite high, maintaining itself. But you could see, Onyxcoin dropped below the top 100 ranks. You can see this for yourself. And of course, this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis, because we can, take a look at every single thing. And this is something that, of course, I want you guys to keep in mind right now. But let's move forward, take a look at the price, because, of course, everyone wants to know what's happening with the price. Crypto ZX, talk about the price, this and that, yada, yada, yada. But looking at the dominance, guys, we saw the dominance see a major spike over the past, few hours, 59.6%. And if you understand how dominance works, if you understand what kind of correlation it has, to the altcoins, this is not a small deal. And, if you've been following my channel, this is something I've been talking about. 59.6%. And again, there's no, doubts why you are seeing, or surprised, why we're seeing so much red across the board. We have seen the market recover a little bit. XCN up 13.7% over the last 1 hour. You're looking at the broader market up a little bit of a bounce, but XCN is leading the way. So what is this showing us? This is showing us that, the momentum, as far as the overall momentum that XCN has been showing us, it's still there for itself. But even if a project has extensive momentum like XCN, that does not mean you're not going to have an impact with Bitcoin seeing flash pullbacks as we have seen over the past few hours. But looking at Bitcoin, you can see this for yourself. BTC went down to $97,800. Since then, has made its way back above $102,000. We're facing some key resistance, but I still do believe that, we shouldn't be getting way too excited right now, because of course, FOMC meeting is coming up this week as well. This week is major. There's so much happening. A lot of big S&P 500 companies are, going to be, sharing their reports, their earning reports. And of course, we are going to be hearing about the FOMC meeting, which is really important. So could this be a fake out? Yes, because remember, yesterday, a lot of fear over leveraged positions, people thinking we're going to go down. And again, this is why you want to stay away from leverage trading. If you're new to the crypto space, what I would suggest you guys to do is stay away from leveraged platforms. That's how you get wrecked in this market. If you've done your due diligence, research, and have money that you want to invest, that you can afford to lose into some of these projects, then, patience is your number one key to follow, and spot buying is the best. If you leverage trade, you will get wiped out. I've lost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars leverage trading. I'm sure if you follow my channel on a regular basis, you guys know about that. I'm totally against it, and I would never promote that to my viewers. I've been offered thousands of dollars, and I'm not going to name which exchanges, but I'm against it, and I'll never do that. So stay away from leveraged platforms. But right now, I'm still not buying this, even though, we have seen Bitcoin making its way back above six figures. I am not, convinced as of just yet. But Let's take a look at XEN coin. So XEN coin, of course, it's back above 3 cents. Obviously, that is a good thing to see. But obviously, around this daily time frame, you can really see what's happening in the shorter time scale. So, of course, we're going to switch to the hourly time frame and give you guys a little bit of a better visual. So you could see this for yourself. This project saw a major pullback yesterday. Just yesterday itself, you could see this for yourself. 27th, we were ranging around that 4 cents price point. And literally from that 4 cents, this thing dropped 46%. And I know a lot of people probably got spooked out, especially the newcomers coming into the space. What is going on? 50%. I thought we were bullish. Again, welcome to crypto markets, guys. This is what I tell you guys on day in, day out. Crypto market is a very, very roller coaster of a ride. And, it's not just nice and pretty just going up. There will be massive swings. And, this is a perfect example. And again, this is due to correlation with Bitcoin and dominance going up so much. But the fact of the matter is, we made our way down to 2.2 cents. We have some support around this range. And I do believe there is some support from the previous, few years. Here we are. Yeah. So not much support. Mostly, I would say the support is from, the move towards the upside as we have seen. So one thing also I want to tell you guys is when a project pumps up like this, you want to see the project finding a ground for itself. And what I mean by finding a ground for itself is, consolidating. And we have seen, XEN do that. You can see this for yourself. It had this massive leg up. It's consolidated for, I think a week, broke out, consolidated a little bit, and you want to see a similar thing happen. Why is that so important? Because let's say the price goes up, a bunch of whales decide to, peace out, I want to lock some profits in. If there's not extensive support, you will see the price drop sharply. And I hate to say it right now, even though XEN has been showing extreme bullish momentum, if you see a bunch of whales step in to, lock some profits in and, causes a little bit of a panic and causes a snowball effect, these supports could literally not hold off too much. And I think, the most extensive support it really has is around, this range, around the 1.1 cents. And again, this would require, quite a large dip. I think Bitcoin would need to have a flash crash again. The dominance is still quite high. So, I want you guys to look at it from a realistic standpoint. Remember, I am completely unbiased on this channel. I'm not just going to come here and sit and tell you, that things are looking extremely bullish. Yes, it's showing extreme, positive strength right now. There's a lot that the XEN, project is announcing, massive burn, apparently a lot of rumors flying around that, we're going to see Binance listing up. But again, one step at a time. A lot of people compare this to XRP. And again, everyone has their own right of way, but I don't think this is on an XRP scale, in my opinion. But that does not mean this project cannot give ROI. Speaking about return on investment, anyone that got in this project pretty much even last year has been doing quite well because this thing is up tremendously. Literally, if you picked it up, let's say on Christmas, you got some funds as a Christmas gift, and I'm just saying it as an example. Let's say you were like, XEN coin is the one, and you've done your due diligence research, and you got in here. You saw this thing go up 24x. 24x since Christmas. So that's literally a month ago. In 1 month, and this is why there's so many eyes on this. But with that said, of course, we made our way down to that 2.2 cents mark. And again, you could see this for yourself. This is why it's so important to find a ground for itself, because sharp moves like this could see very, very volatile moves. So you can see we made our way down to 2.23 cents, but look at this wick. This tells you that this, overall momentum that it has for itself is still quite high. It's a 72% increase just in a few hours. That is huge. And that is where, the credit is deserved. You can see we saw a 72% move pretty much back to, where it was, it wicked up to that 3.9 cents. And I think, we were going to fill that wick in. I think with the momentum XEN is seeing right now, obviously Bitcoin needs to hold its ground. Again, if Bitcoin does not hold its ground, then of course, we could still see some of these prices come about again. But, this wick could fill in. And again, facing some resistance around this range. If this resistance is able to break out, I do believe the 4 cent price point could be on the table very, very quick. Only a 20% move, and it's showing us strength, and honestly all-time high at the way this thing is holding right now could really be very near. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Of course, obviously we cannot be ignoring Bitcoin, we cannot be ignoring the dominance index. Have your exit strategy in play, guy. Don't listen to the trolls, guys. You want to have an exit strategy. When you see products moving up like this, if you are not locking in profits on your way up, I think you're leaving massive profits off on the table, and that is quite risky, and I would not do that. I would recommend you guys have an exit strategy, lock some profits, and I saw a lot of comments coming in yesterday. Hey, Crypto ZX, we locked some profit in. Good for you guys. That's how you want to do this, but at the end of the day, everyone has their own way of doing things. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you want to see more of these updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe, and you'll see daily updates on this. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.